I just want to go on a whim here and say that Terrance Howard is correct. I was saying that he was on to something, but he's right. What is Terrance Howard right about? 1 times 1 equaling 2 and not 1. If you'll let me explain, I can. So, how is Terrance Howard right about this equation here? Think frequencies for a moment. Do frequencies ever stop? Did you know the entire universe is comprised of frequencies? Everything you see around you is a frequency. If you see one sign and times with another sign, how many signs would you see? Would you see one sign or would you see 2 signs there? What am I getting at? Signs give off frequencies. Even signs give off frequencies. How can a sign give off a frequency? Does it tell you to do anything when you look at it? That's a frequency then. If there is one sign times another sign in one location, you see 2 signs, not just one. Think about the literal definition of multiply, like he's talking about. It's illogical to say that 1 times 1 equals 1. More details though. What am I ultimately getting at? All frequencies, what in this world here that we have currently, all of the frequencies, we use numerical equations to measure them, right? We use numerology. We use numerical sequences. We use digits that label and describe what the frequency is doing. 1 times 1 is a stagnant equation. 1 times 1 equaling 1 is a stagnant equation. 1 times 1 equaling 2 is an advancing equation. 1 times 1 equaling 1 is a stagnant equation. 1 times 1 equaling 2 is an advancing equation. Frequencies. The universe is frequencies. We use numbers to measure frequencies, and frequencies never stop. Frequencies never stop working. Frequencies never stop moving. They are always in motion. Let's put it like this also to let you know just exactly how much Terrance Howard is right. To say 1 times 1 equals 1 is also, especially with this logic now on the surface, saying 1 times 1 equals 1 is equivalent to saying your heart can stop. How? How so? Because there are frequencies going to and through your heart in which give it its juice to pump. Saying 1 times 1 equals 1 is saying our heart can stop. Did you know our hearts never stop working? Did you know God never stops working? God never stops working. To be quite honest with you, it ain't even really too much math we need. We don't even really need the math that much. We don't need anything this world has to offer us at all. Did you also know our entire planet should have food sprouting from the ground right now as we speak? Did you also know there should only be one weather pattern? A weather pattern that is just right. Rain every now and then, of course. But as far as all of these tornadoes and things of that nature, we don't need them. They come from the people who rearranged our fundamentals of math. 1 times 1 equals 2. Not 1. It makes sense. It's just logic. Terrance Howard is right. Because, once again, 1 times 1 equaling 1 is a stagnant equation, and 1 times 1 equaling 2 is an advancing equation. Think about it. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Peace, love, unity, and advancement to you all, my family.